Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on inequalities. In this video, I am graphing two different lines. These lines are both in function notation, and I don't want you to get confused with function notation meaning multiplication or confused because there's these random letters. Function notation is exactly the same as y is greater than negative 4x plus 3. Y is less than 2x minus 3. And you might be saying, why do we use it? Function notation has a lot of really good uses. I have videos on function notation that you can look up, but function notation is actually a very helpful notation for algebra. My y-intercept in this case is a positive 3, and my slope is a negative 4. I'm going to put the negative 4 over 1. So negative 4, positive 1, negative 4, positive 1. I could also do a positive 4 over a negative 1, positive 4, negative 1. I don't really need to. I really make sure I have 3 points before I connect the dots, but 4 is also good. There's no equal sign in my inequality, which means my line is dashed. So I'm going to do a dashed line with arrows, always with arrows. And now I have to figure out which line to shade. Because this is an inequality, it actually doesn't equal any of these points on the line, but it equals either any of these points would satisfy it or any of these points. So I'm going to test a point, and I think I'm going to test 5, 5. So if I test 5, 5, I'm saying is 5 greater than negative 4 times 5 plus 3? Is 5 greater than negative 20 plus 3? Is 5 greater than negative 17? Sure is. Because this point is true, it means all of the points on this side of the line are true. You could test other points if you're not positive. You could test 0, 0. Is 0 greater than 3? No. The origin is false, which means you shade on the other side. So you could test any of the points you wanted, but if you feel confident with 1 point, that's all you have to test. Okay, in this case, my y-intercept is negative 3. My slope is 2. Again, I'm going to put the 2 over 1. So 2 over 1, 2 over 1. You don't have to go out as far as I do. I just feel it's more accurate. There's, again, no equal sign, so my line is going to be dashed. So dash this one down with arrows. And notice when I test a point, I didn't really like testing the origin. It's really close. I like testing a point that's is further away. It really makes me feel like the numbers are going to be much different. So I'm going to test 0, 5 this time because 0, 5 is a good distance from the line. So my question is, if y is 5, is that less than 2 times 0 minus 3? Is 5 less than negative 3? Because we drop our 0 terms. No. Because that is false, we shade on the other side of the line. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!